In this video, I will show you how to get Sam's Club membership. So simply open up Chrome or any web browser. In the search bar, search for Sam's Club. After that, you will get this URL from Sam's Club. Here you can see various menu bar where you can directly go. So simply click on membership or club membership. Here you will find two types of membership available, plus or club. To make a decision, you can simply scroll down below to check the perks. After you're done checking it, simply click on Join Plus or Join Club. After that, simply scroll down below, put in your name, last name, your online account, your password, your mailing address, phone number. Then add your card. After that, you can see your total down here. Simply click on Continue. And then enter your card details, save your card, and then click on Buy. After that, you will be able to join Sam's Club membership. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.